Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recover a Metamask wallet with a seed phrase. Open Metamask, choose Import Wallet, and enter your 12 or 24-word seed phrase exactly as written. After restoring, immediately set a strong new password and enable biometric or hardware security if available. Verify your account balance and transaction history, and move recovered funds to a new wallet if you suspect compromise. Understanding seed phrase security is essential for safe recovery. Treat your 12 or 24 words like cash. Never share them or type them into unknown sites. Keep backups in separate secure locations, preferably engraved or written and stored offline. If you suspect exposure, restore and transfer funds to a new wallet immediately and enable hardware wallet protection to reduce future risk and keep your crypto safe. If recovery fails, methodical troubleshooting helps a lot. Re-enter the phrase slowly, checking word order and spelling, and ensure you use the correct 12 or 24 word set. Try updating or reinstalling the Metamask app and clear cache if the import stalls. If issues persist, consult official Metamask support resources on a different device and avoid third-party recovery tools that request your seed phrase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.